Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage X, basketball, from the second text in the Simple Comprehension series. The basketball rolled slowly along the edge of the court. In the fading light, there would be no more games today. The gentle breeze pushed the ball through puddles, then back again. The court was silent, except for the dulled hum of traffic on the motorway, crawling through rush hour traffic. In the distance, two boys called out to one another. Something had been forgotten. Questions. Where was the basketball? Describe the time of day. Was the court busy? How was the weather? Why was the traffic crawling on the motorway? What had the boys forgotten? Now let's check the answers. Where was the basketball? The basketball was at the edge of the court. It says so in the first sentence. Describe the time of day. We could say late afternoon or early evening. We know this because it says in the fading light in the second sentence. Was the court busy? No, the court was silent. It says so here. We could also say it wasn't because the boys had left, and no one else is described in the text as being at the court. How was the weather? There was a gentle breeze. Say so in the third sentence. Why was the traffic crawling on the motorway? Well, two reasons. We could say because it was rush hour, described here, or we could say because the road was busy. There was a dull hum of traffic on the motorway crawling, meaning moving very slowly, suggesting it was very busy. What had the boys forgotten? The boys had forgotten their basketball. Thank you for your time. How did you go?